I'm calling on you to give me strength, oh Lord. I'm trying my best, but it is so hard. The pressure, the pain, I can't take it, Lord. If there's a way, can you show me, Lord? I'm calling on you to give me strength, oh Lord. I'm trying my best, but it is so hard. The pressure, the pain, I can't take it, Lord. If there's a way, can you show me, Lord? Nowadays it seems nobody care what life is worth. I play a juvenile, me see I go down in the earth. Them juvenile, you're bad from birth. Them way y'all shoot out, you pick me from under your skirt. You better stay upon the alert.
Right now, what I running now?
Early I come with the hearse. Sunday you up in a church. After the preacher done preach, 6 man walking you out. You don't know what I'm talking about. Keep pretending them we find you, we dancing them out. So keep on dancing about and prancing about. You think them youth are playing about. Them not have nothing for lose.
You fuck are you?
Your brats here it a fly like arrow. And your pants.
We're gonna work later.
My girl, what kind of clothes that you wear?
At least me have work for go. You just want to sit down at the house and bun weed and want meat mine you.
You go and talk here. You better go away and go alone.
Then you first I come run off your mouth.
My girl, you still a talk.
Me said this shit on them better fit tear up. Your brats here it a fly like arrow. And your panty time up like Pharaoh. Your oko bit but enough like Bielo. That's why me a them man. Earth me now share love. And you know that.
Yo, Dark Glass, what you say?
Yo, you know me there, my family.
You know, so me have some high grade, dog.
What you say, dog? You can't left a phone for you and you just run it out and give me my share when you're done. Oh, you mean my family? Of course, that's good. You come drop it off?
Yeah, man. Give me about an hour. You go there on your ends.
Yeah, man. Me not go nowhere.
Yo, boss, you want gwan? A long time I don't see the man star like the man get rich and switch.
Man, it's busy, man. But here, yeah.
You know, so me have some high grade. What you say? You can't take it off of me.
Ja know, dog, man. Low you know still, but if you left it for me, I can run it and make you get yours in a couple of days still.
For real, my family. And I mind, I shouldn't do that still. But you have my dopes, I do that.
You there on your ends, me I come link you right now.
No, not yet. It's not reach me yet. When it reach me, I'll have you.
Alright, world boss, no see another word.
Hold it! Hold it! Try now what I running now. Because if you give me the pitney money from what day, you come and hide me out. You's a workless dirty pooper.
My girl, you know, sister, me nah work. But no watch not the man come link me tomorrow, man. I get a thing look more, so by tomorrow me have a little thing ready for you, man. See? Just go on, man. Come up, me can't take no headache, you know, betcha.
Yo! You better make sure so when I come tomorrow, you have it, you know. Or else they go carry go a family court. Workless dirty boy.
You know me hungry star. Me go down and my sister go look some food, you know. Me no care where a dirty man flavor wants say, you know. Make him say nothing to me.
Flavor. Where you left the gate open for?
Left us gate open.
From morning for you left me no come out of here.
So imagine say eat out of the pot and left the pot dirty same way. Say you could wash out the pot.
Left the spot dirty. Right now just wake up and now pre-for eat my food and now you have left pot dirty. I must say dirty bum buckle like brother can yam out the food, you know. You hear me? Watch man. I'm going to fuck him up. Every day I come here come yam out the bum buckle and food and see, watch you, left all the plate them and dirty. Watch, yeah? I'm going to fuck up him bum buckle and watch, just watch.
So all you do from morning is sleep and dream?
Hey girl, if you want a blood clot dream, you know? Dream. You lucky you have me a blood clot close me a dream, you see them dead. Hey shopkeeper, give me some of the hottest pepper you have there.
Do you do a link me, see?
Mad world boss, me will link you quick and fast.
A divergent. We say dog, the whole ounce of weed done already. WGF record. Lie you a tell. We disappear like magic when me and my friend them have it. And the weed man, them not just we, cause them know we. Okay, when it come to weed man, grab it. We just a jump out a bag like rabbit. Like a bread man, slice it up. Like a gal we stop. Alright. Put some weed in a me Rizla. Down a August town, me link sizzler. Pon Di Bubble camp, I will a meds with me turban tie round me head.
I eat that guy. Go feed my bone.
Go feed yourself. Where you use it, let me find.
I'll go feed my bone. And me bust your head.
Let me answer. If me no make me father, kick you in your batty.
Your father, idiot.
Selassie Jah! That house ya look like it dey on fire.
Pon Di Bubble camp, I will a meds with.
You fuck you. You never know say me not go fuck you up. Every day you come here and you want my blood clot food. You fuck you, yeah man.
John was star. John me say me burn off the whole pound of weed star. I know me can't pay money. John me met me one year ago there. A girl just tip on me case star. She must be now because she can't give him on a break. You know me will call me break and cut me. Run me friend boy in a watch.
Wait.
Sarge, you know see how the boy them fly past we like them no respect police. You know make we go for them.
Rookie, I want you to listen carefully because I only go and say this once. A foolish dog alone back off a flying bird. You only see the speed where they go them pass one. You really think you couldn't catch them boy there? Make them go on and broke them rust, then we send daily for them.
I better go. Alright, so I heard me that man, there man. All the money I'm in family, the man. That man, that's forward man, there man, see? Alright, man. JC money, tell me. AKA turn is do I know. WGF tell me where my friend them gone. Me want know where my friend them gone. Tell me where my friend them gone. Me want know where my friend them gone. I just the other day with the so I make plans. Oh yeah, go buy house and we'll leave. land and take enough chip over the ocean. I know we are go have money in a potion and be a pretty gal and give we skin lotion and buy woolly for strap so we no fear no one. But next thing me hear say you get gunned down. Inna your head back you get more than one. Tell me where my friend them go.